Hi, we are here today in front of our new Dallan CXN, the punch laser combo system by Dallan that has very unique features. Punching and laser cutting from coil offers you three main advantages. First is the material optimization, by giving you the possibility to optimize the material up to 100% by using the coil edges. Second is the extremely high production output, by eliminating the sheet loading and unloading time, and because the punch module and the laser module of the Dallan CXN operate simultaneously. Third, the maximum flexibility. In fact, the Dallan CXN consists of two completely independent machines, the punching module and the laser module. This means that you can use on this configuration the punching machine from the coil while using the laser module as a sheet-fed laser on sheets up to 4 meters long. The Dallan punch laser line starts with a decoiler and straightener and can handle coils from 0.6 up to 4 mm thickness. After the loop, the strip enters the feeder, which controls the positioning in the X direction. The tools are standard thick turret style and they are assembled on the carriage that moves in the Y direction. Here we can process holes, forming and tapping operation. After the product is punched, it is then cut by the transversal shear. Here we have a first intelligent stacking unit that can also transfer the punched sheets to the laser. On this second roller table, the sheet is aligned and inserted into the laser module. The Dallan ELXN module is here in the 3 kW version. It includes our patented system with measuring camera that reads the position of the pre-punched holes and sets the position of the laser cutting operation to the pre-punched holes. The material moves on supporting blades that move together with the material. Once the laser cutting process is completed, the material is delivered to the second intelligent stacker that can position in up to 9 different positions, here with a length of 6 meters. What we are seeing today is the most flexible configuration of the Dallan CXN. To see all the other possible setups, contact dallan.com.